This brand is made in Mexico by Allied Air Enterprises, which is a part of Lennox International, and the furnaces are available through their factory-authorized dealer network. They offer gas furnaces that are designed for large, price-conscious homebuilding companies. The 92AF models are basic furnaces with a 92% AFUE efficiency, while the 95AF models have a 95% efficiency, and they are available in the USA and Canada. They use basic single-speed blower motors that are louder and less efficient than other types, but they use hot surface ignition, which is quieter and more reliable than spark ignition systems. The 95AF2V models are premium two-stage gas furnaces with variable speed blower motors, which are quieter and save energy, but these units are only available in Canada. All of the gas furnaces use aluminized steel heat exchangers, which are less durable than stainless steel, but they are less expensive. The warranty is not as good as many other brands, as it only provides a 20-year heat exchanger guarantee and does not include unit replacement in case of heat exchanger failure. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your thoughts and experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and God bless.